It is visible.
Yeah. So I'll just a second. Yeah. The last one, the last session, like which I was not there. So it was about creating the modules and those things. So those things I got clear. Like
Yeah.
I have created this one actually, employee support new.
Why
So
employee support? I think I said don't employee support, right? Why you kept new again?
so actually it was previously there. So I kept it I have disabled that. I have
Should have
so I have
disabled
cleared.
that, right?
Yes, I have created like I have disabled that.
Then remove new here.
Okay, just a second.
Anyways, you can see all the application menus in the application menu module.
Yep.
So you have a module, right? So
Yes.
in that you can. Okay, refresh once again.
Yeah.
Sometimes it happens. Refresh.
Excuse me.
Go back
Okay.
once again. Again.
Some issue is there, I guess. Just a second. Oh, okay.
Once again, click on back.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this.
Hello, excuse me.
Yeah, who's speaking?
Yes, it's Simon here.
Yeah.
Uh,
Okay.
may I know your name? It's my first day today.
Okay. My name is Kalki.
Sorry,
Kalki.
Kalki.
Yeah.
Okay, I think this is ninth day or 10th day, right?
I'm not sure which day. I think around 5. I think 10th
Hmm.
day. 10th or 11th day.
Okay, okay. And this is like I didn't watch the 8th or ninth video actually.
Hmm.
So will you tell me once like what is this or today the which you are taking? What is going on?
Today is not the continuation for the previous classes. Today is a new one. So last today's class is not continuation of last two classes. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So you can go through that videos by tomorrow.
Sure.
Yeah.
Sure, sure. I'll go through it. But today, what you are taking for
It's import sets.
import sets?
Yeah.
Okay, okay, sure. Thank you.
Yeah. Also, Kalki, this one is the module like employee
Okay.
support, and this one is inbound API one dashboard which I have created. So if I'll click on
Okay.
this,
Yeah,
this
okay.
is it.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh,
Got it. Got it.
okay. Oh, again I oh, just a second.
Then you can just click on back. See,
Okay.
click on.
Yeah.
Yeah. It works. Yeah.
Okay. And the
So. mm,
other one also the search one. I'll just show you. Oh, so
I
where
have
is
said
this?
many modules, right?
That's what actually I was like creating those. It was like on the process. Like I got it, like how to like do that. And this one, the search one, it is about the last classes actually. Last class.
Yeah.
Only
Yeah.
these two requirements were there. So this is the
Yeah.
the new page which it opens about the search.
Yeah. Show
And
everyone, please, how we have configured the dashboard module. What have we have
dashboard.
provided there? Yeah. Please show
Okay,
everyone.
got it. So, okay, just a second. I'll do it. So as it first I searched for dashboard, simply dashboard.
Everyone, please listen.
Okay, so shit, I forgot. Oh, yeah. So it's
Yeah.
dashboard over here, below self-service. So here, like many dashboards are there. So it is. So I have taken this one API.
Inbound API. There is
Yeah.
there.
API is that like let's suppose yeah, this one inbound API integration uses. So I've clicked on this, and this is the URL which was which needs to be selected. I
Dheeraj, you are wait. Dheeraj, you are
Yep.
sharing your screen. Please stop your screen sharing. And Anada, please
Yeah.
once again share your screen.
Okay, just a second. I'll do that. Okay, sharing. Yeah, it's visible, I guess.
It is visible.
Yes. So, Salih started from the beginning. So
No,
I
you
have
can continue
searched.
from here.
Okay, yeah. So, so this is inbound API integration uses. This is a dashboard which shows some data. So I've copied this one, this URL, the particular URL. I've copied from here, and like as it is. So I went to reports.
Is it reports or
Oh no, no,
module?
no, no, no. Sorry, module.
Application menu.
So
Apply employee
yeah,
support application menu.
yes, employee support. So for us, it is employee support. Yeah, yeah, this one, employee support.
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, here I have created. Like it is already created. I'll show the process. So here,
You can
uh,
show the existing one. You can show the existing one.
existing one. Okay, yeah. So this is the inbound API. Yes. So here this is visibility is there, which I have not changed. So link type is there. So here I
Mm.
have pasted title I have given inbound API as it was supposed to be the same. I couldn't remember the entire one, so I changed it inbound API. Then order I have mentioned 450, where it should show while searching the module.
Canada, like start
Yeah.
everything with 100 sequence, like 100, 200, 300. Okay. In future.
Okay. Okay, got it. Yes, Kalki. Sure. Here link type, here link type it is argument, sorry, URL question it should be selected as the module will open this URL, the dashboard URL. So I've selected this URL argument and that particular dashboard link from here. I have pasted it here and updated it.
So consider, okay,
Yeah.
consider there are two instances like dev and prod. So if you paste the if you copy the link of the dashboard in dev, complete link, and paste here
Okay.
and move the same thing to prod, and if you click on that module, will
Mhm.
it open the prod dashboard or non-prod dashboard?
So it will open the dev dashboard, not the prod.
Yes. Yeah. I think got it. So
Yeah.
you should not include this dev 2225 and 1.servicenow.com.
Yes. Got
From
it.
now is enough. From now.
Yeah.
Remove
Yeah.
all
Got it.
the normal URL. Remove all the normal URL.
Okay, so I should delete this one, right?
Just remove that. Until
O-
.com. Until .com, remove everything.
Okay, so
So
from here,
yeah, that only should be there. That only should be there.
okay, got it, got it.
Remove until .com.
Okay, so only
So
this
this
one,
is
right?
yeah, only this how we should put. So in
Okay,
prod, it will append this URL to the
right, right.
instance
Yes,
URL. That's how.
correct.
Yeah,
Got it.
got it. Yeah.
Yes, and all like the previous one, the report which I was talking about. So, like again, I'll show you where I got confused actually. So here, there is one list report which we need to be created for RITM approvals. So
Okay.
actually, that report I was creating, but I couldn't link it. I'll show you just a second.
You took which table? Incident table or sys
Incident
approval
table,
underscore?
incident table.
You shouldn't take incident table, right?
Oh, that's what there I
I
actually
shown
got
you there.
confused.
Yeah.
Yes.
In the class also shown you. So whenever any approval get triggered for any change request or RATM, it will
Mm-hmm.
create a record in sys approval underscore approver table. So you should create
Yes.
report for that table. Already
Correct.
shown
So
you
we should take their sys approval and approval,
underscore
like
approval.
underscore approval. Yes. So in that we can face that report. Yes, I got it. Yes, I'll do that.
Yeah, you can just open the reports. No, 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 no,
Yes,
now
yes,
it's
I'm
that.
opening.
Yeah, open
Correct.
the report.
Yes, just a second.
Just changing the table.
Just
That's
check.
it.
Uh, what about this one? How this? Yeah.
That is the one. The previous one. Previous one.
This one, right?
The left of this. Left tab of this one. This one. Yeah.
Okay.
Click on data. Click on
Uh,
data.
data, right?
Yeah.
There it is.
Yeah, you have
Not
data
from.
section, right?
Okay. Yes. Yeah. Got it.
So yeah, you should select sys approval underscore approver table.
Yes. This one is
Approval app
This is approval
underscore.
underscore
Yeah, you got it.
approval.
The first one.
Okay. So
So
this is the
here,
list.
yeah, list and the give the like the filter condition as state is requested.
Okay. So here, the field should be p- just a second. So no.
You can see their state just below source table field.
Mm,
Just search otherwise. Just search with state. That's it.
yep.
Click on that state.
Yes.
Is requested. So
Yes.
it will,
Request.
yeah, it should show and click save and run. So it will show all the approvals which are requested, not yet approved or
Not yet
rejected.
approved. Yes.
Or
Yes.
rejected anyways, which are just requested, but no one took any action. Maybe like no one approved it or no one rejected it. Save it. Save it. Yeah. When you click on save, then it will be saved. That's it.
Okay. Yeah. And others also I have created. So Kalki, like, is it a like easy way like how we can search it like the reports which we have created?
Yeah. Go to Hall, filter navigator, and search for reports.
Okay.
These are all the reports.
Yes. So actually, like how I will come to know that which I have created.
Okay. Add a new field, add a new column, updated by column onto the list view, or created by
Okay.
column. Created by column. Yeah, already have it, right? Mm, so,
Yes,
so,
created.
yeah. And see, you can sort it with updated also. Sort with updated.
Okay.
Click on the updated field.
Yes.
Click on updated column. Click on the
Okay.
updated one. Click on it. Click on it.
Yeah. Okay.
Hmm. Click on the updated column.
This one, right? Oh,
Yeah,
sorry.
click on it
Yes.
directly.
Okay.
Otherwise, click on sort to Z to A.
Z2A. Okay.
So the so it will be ordered in the recent update. Like, got it?
Yes.
These are yeah.
Okay. So actually, these I have created. This is for active incident.
Hmm.
Just
Actually, you are already in admin. There are many out of the
yes.
box reports which they already got created out of the box. So which also shows admin. But in real time, anyways, you'll have some individual user account. Each user will have individual user account, so it will be easy to sort out. But currently, out of the box data is there, right? So everything it shows that created by admin. Yeah, click on edit report or view report. It will show you.
View report. Okay.
Yeah, Ayman, actually,
Yes.
we're not
This
talking
is
with
the
each other. We are discussing the doubts. I gave requirements for them. Every day I used to give requirements. I'm discussing about that. That's it.
so
Mm.
this is the pie chart which I have
Okay.
created.
So what is the
So
requirement I actually gave for this?
this was for like assignment group actually. Assignment group. Yes.
Okay.
A pie chart for assignment group.
Move to the report.
Yeah. Just a second. Oh shoot. Yeah.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
And see, please check out the title names correctly. Okay. Active by assignment. Spellings.
Oh yes. Yes.
Yeah.
I'm really sorry. Yeah.
Please consider spellings also. Yeah, this is
Yes.
fine.
Yes. Uh, just a second.
So everyone, please compare these use cases with what you have actually done. Okay, because it will be very difficult to verify all the people, right? So just compare.
Yeah, Kalki. So this is the
Save it.
assignment one. Yeah.
Hmm.
And I'll show you the other one. Just a
Don't
second.
forget to save, 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 save.
Yes. One empty is showing actually. This is 27. So
Because
it's
the assignment group field is empty.
okay. Got it.
Assignment group field is empty for 27 incidents. That's what.
27 inches. Yes. Yes. Okay. And oh,
See, when I click on
sorry.
it, see, once click on it, once click on any of the color,
Yeah.
it
Clicked
will
it.
open,
Yeah.
yeah, it will open the list. See, like this. Okay.
Got it. Yeah. So it's not
So
yet assigned. It's empty. Yeah.
yeah, assignment group is empty.
Correct. Okay. So and I'll show you just a second. So one was there like The first one, like which is a
I
trend
want the
report.
first one. Yeah.
Yes, the trend report. I'll show you just a second.
So every day I'll be calling some random people to display their to share the screen for the requirements which I have given. Okay, some random person every day.
Check to it.
Yeah. Okay.
So I don't know, like this. Actually, the name, in a
So
hurry,
you have
actually, I've been.
two reports: active
Yes,
incidents, active incidents,
correct. Actually,
and
there
both are
is.
trend type. I think you have created two times.
Uh, this is the trend report actually. No,
Okay.
this one I have not created. Actually, I have created the one which is weekly. Yeah, this is not the one. Just a second. Yeah. Anyway, again, really sorry. Actually, it's the same thing which I have like
Good.
it's got open. Yeah.
Run and
So
save.
active is yeah.
That's it. That's it.
Yeah. Run, correct, and save. Yeah, this is the report of weekly active incidents per week. Yeah,
Click on configure.
just a second. Configure here.
See, you should change the trend by also. Trend by opened or
Um,
created. Give opened. Trend by is there,
okay.
right? Trend by.
Yes,
That is how it will be trended on. Search
correct.
search for
Open.
opened.
Yeah,
Yeah. Run and save. Yeah. This is how save. Okay.
yeah.
Yeah.
So actually, for me, these modules are yet to create. Like I got it, like how to create, but I'm really sorry, like I couldn't make those. But yes, employee support I have created, but some of the modules are left for me. I'll like complete it as soon as possible.
Yeah. Please do it by
Yeah,
tomorrow.
yeah, sure, definitely. Yeah.
So any other people is having any doubts? Okay. So today topic will be import sets. Like how to import data into ServiceNow tables from external source like Excel sheets. Okay.
Yes.
So let me prepare an Excel sheet. Let me try to import incidents records into ServiceNow incident table. Okay. See, every record within ServiceNow will have a unique ID, which is nothing but sys ID. Every record, and it will be unique for each record. I think I shown you right previously, didn't I? Did I or no?
I don't
Every
think
record will have a sys ID. It will be unique. Let me show you. Let it load. Yeah. So
it'll show in that URL, right?
yeah, for this incident number two, this is the sys ID. In the URL also it will be there, and you can right click on this and to copy sys ID. Sys ID is nothing but system ID. Okay. So it is a 32 character string. Okay. Every record will have a sysID. It's a 32 character string. SysID is nothing but 32 character string. Okay. You can find out by just right clicking on copy sysID. Otherwise in the URL. So now let's, if you consider for every incident record, number is unique, right? For every incident record, number is unique. So now let's try to import some user record, like some incident records into ServiceNow user incident table. Okay, now let me create an Excel sheet with 2 or 3 rows. Let me give the columns as number, short, short description. Consider, I don't want to put this, and let me put this description. And let me take some incident number as example. Let me give some random things here. Yeah. Test 1, test 2, test 3. Okay. Okay. Consider I want to import these 3 records into ServiceNow incident table. Okay. So how will you do that? Okay. Search for, we do that through import search. Search for load data. Click on it. Okay. Here it is saying this import set table, right? Import set table is also called as staging table or a temporary table to which the Excel sheet data will be first loaded and then it will be sent to the target table within the ServiceNow instance. Okay, now import set table is nothing but a temporary table or a staging table to which the data will be loaded first and then it will be transferred to the target table through transform maps. So you can use any existing staging table or you can create a new table. So let me create a new table. The table name is INC and let me choose this Excel sheet which I have prepared now. Click on submit. So this is my first time I am transferring the data to incident table. So I should use this create transform map. Okay, what is this transform map? Transform map actually transfers the data from the staging table to the ServiceNow target table through the field mappings. Okay. So we haven't provided, right? So we haven't provided anywhere until now that this number field should be mapped to the number field in incident table, and the short description field should be mapped to the short description field in incident table, and description field to the description table in the service. Now we haven't configured it, right? Service will not understand it, right, until we configure it. So we should do the configuration through this transform map. So the transform map, we should also give the transform map name, INC map. Consider I'm giving the transform map name as INC map. And see, I clicked on this create transform app, right? So source table is automatically got auto populated. If you remember previously when I clicked on the load data, created a staging table, right? With the same name, INC. So it'll get populated. So to which table you want to import the data to? I want to import to incident table. So I will give incident here. Okay. And I'll click on save. Now we should do the field mapping. So this number field should be populated with which field in the incident table, and this is short description. Okay. Now we should do that particular field mapping in this transform map. So here we have something known as auto map matching fields. Once when I click it, let's see what will happen. See, see it already mapped with this number field to number field in target table, and this description field from the staging table to the description field in target table, right? But if you see, this short description is not mapped to the target table, right? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yeah,
Kalki.
yeah.
So only two fields got mapped, but the
Correct.
short disk field did not got mapped. Do you know any
Correct.
reason why it did not got mapped automatically short this field?
So it is not yet declared actually.
No.
Because the Excel sheet data field are the difference between the ServiceNow data fields. So.
Yes, exactly. If you see this number field in the Excel sheet, number field is having say number. Yeah, we have that field here. When coming to this description field, yeah, description, and we have here same description. When coming to this short DSC, we don't have that field in incident table. That's why it did not got auto mapped. Okay, Chadarich.
Got it.
Yeah, so that's the reason that short DSC field that did not got mapped. So you should click on this mapping assist, or otherwise click on this new. But this mapping assist will be easy. Click on this mapping assist. So this is the source. Source means from the Excel sheet. This is the target, means from the incident table, because you have selected incident table there, right? Okay, so in the source
Yes.
we have given short DSC, right? Give it here, and here I need to map it to short description field. So select, perfect. So it's like this. This both fields got getting mapped. This both fields and this both fields. Okay, that's it. Okay, click on save.
Yes.
Now, now see, everything is fine. Okay, we mapped all the three fields. Now click on this transform, the transform app itself. So it will be transferred to the target table. Click on again transform. So this is the map which we have created, right? INC map. So it's saying completed success. Click on this transform history. It will show you. Yeah, there are total three records. Yeah, three are inserts. See, if something get updated, it will say that my records got updated. If something any count is there here, that means that my records got ignored. Like this, it will show you the count. Okay. So yeah, three got inserted. Let's see now. So let me go to the incident table and see whether they got inserted or not. Mm, let's sort with this updated field. See, we got these three. No, no, this is not the one. No, 15, 12. Oh, 0221. No, these are not the records. Let me search them. I don't know what's wrong. Just let me do this. Yeah, we got these three. See, open just about a minute ago, about a minute ago, and about a minute ago. See, 002250, test 1, test 2, test 3. And let me add the description field also onto the list view. See, everything is fine or not?
Yes, Kalki. It is.
So we got this description also and short description also and incident number also. Everything is fine. It got created.
Yeah.
Wait, give me a minute. So, but if you see, we already have this particular incident number, right? And we already imported it. So it's not be imported, right? As I said, as I said, as we see, incident table number should be unique. Okay. I want to update this, but it got created again. So if you want to update any records, and if you have any field as something like unique, how to do that? Okay, understood. So here we having two records, right, with the same number. It should not happen, right? Should it happen?
No, duplicacy will be there.
People should not be there, right? Even incident
Yeah,
numbers, even user records also. Even if you see user records, user ID should not be same. It
right,
should be unique. User ID is unique, and for incident table, this INC number is unique.
right.
So in that case, how will you import it? So in the transform map, search for transform map again. Open the transform map which you have created. Here you have something known as coalesce. See, something known as coalesce. So if I give this number field coalesce as true, so if the transform map find any matching record with the same value as the access sheet in the ServiceNow target table, then it will update that record. If not, it will create a record. Got it? No,
Yes.
Yes, yes.
everyone. So if I import this, like consider, let me change this number, like 1, not 1, and this to 25. Now, if I import this data, what will happen, say? And let me change this short description to, yeah. When I import this Excel sheet, what it will happen now? What will
So,
happen?
so the target data will not change, right? We have to change it, like update it, right? This is the source one.
Yeah, this is the source one. Now if I click, now if I again upload this data and again click on transform, what will happen? Whether these three records will be created or whether these three records will be updated or what will happen?
Three
It will,
records will be updated.
Three records.
Update.
I think it will create a new one.
See, only this number only exists currently. These two numbers does not exist currently in a ServiceNow incident table. Now say what
Right.
will happen? Only this number exists in our ServiceNow incident table, and this both numbers does not exist in our ServiceNow instance,
So it will be
ServiceNow incident
created.
table.
Two new incident. Like, this will be created. New items.
So which one will be created? Which will not? Which will be updated? Say
So
clearly,
the
everyone.
first one will be updated, and the other
Okay.
two 8013 325 that will be created.
And so second one and third one will be created.
The first one will update.
Second one will be created, and the first one and the third one will be updated.
See, we already have this particular incident with this number, but we don't have any incidents with these numbers 2 and 3. So 3 and 4. If you consider these rows, we
Hmm.
have this. We have an incident with this number, but we don't have any incidents with these numbers, with these two numbers. So what will happen?
Then those two numbers will be created.
Yes, right. We already
Yeah.
have it in our service incident
Yeah.
table with this number, so it will be updated. But we
Yes. The
don't
other
have
one
any incidents with these numbers in our incident table, so it will be created.
created. Yes.
Now let me again save this, and now let me again load the data. Okay. Now let me again go to search for load data. Very good, you guys are following. So I can use the same existing staging table. So the staging table we have created is INC, right? We have created the staging
Yeah.
table and
Yes.
select the file and see this sheet number and adder. So we want to import data from the sheet number 1. So I'll give the sheet number as 1 and adder is which row? Adders are first row, right? So I gave
Yes.
adder as first row. That's it. So if you want to import sheet number 2 data, you will put sheet number 2 here. it depends. Okay, but anyways, this Excel sheet is having only one sheet, and I want to import from sheet 1. So I gave sheet number 1 here, and header anyways, header is from row 1. So I gave here header 1. Please take care of this. Anyways, if any Excel sheet will contain like this only, but yeah, take care. Click on submit. So anyways, we have changed the transform map previously. So I need not create any transform map again. If you want to create any new transform map again, you can create, but not required, right? You can use the existing one, right? So I click on run transform. So yeah, we have one transform map for the staging table. So it will show only one transform map. So if it's in left side, drag from left to right, okay? And click on transform. Now one should be updated and two should be created. Yeah, it's saying now click on transform history. Yeah, two got inserted and one got skipped. Let's see why it got skipped. So click on this. And click on import set rows. Multi-coalesce matching target records. Okay, it was saying two records found with that particular number. So let me delete one for now. Okay. See, as per the errors, you should try to get to know. Let me delete the one which you have created now. 002. Let me delete this one. So which you have created just. So anyways, the other two records which got imported, see, it got created anyways. These two. Now let me again change the Excel sheet data. Let me keep this like this and let me change this. Now again, the last two records should be created and first one should be imported. Now let me again. Okay, fine. Let me again load the data. Yeah, click on transform history. So two should be created, one should be updated. See, perfect. Two created, one updated. If you click on this, you can also know which got created and which got updated. See, two got updated and 2852 and 398 got created. See, got it? So this is
Yes, sir.
what Coalesce
Yes.
actually does. So if you want to update any record based upon any field, unique field, so in that case, you will use this as Coalesce. So I have another question for you, a normal question. So what if I make two fields as Coalesce? What if I make two fields as Coalesce? In the transfer map, what if I make two fields as Coalesce? True. So if any one matches, it will update, or two should match in order to update.
So either one will be taken, I guess. Like anyone will match true, it will update.
Okay. Any other answers from any other
Two will be
people?
updated.
Okay, if
Uh,
anyone matches, it will update.
Excuse me, I didn't understand the question what you asked.
So
Will you
if I
repeat it,
may
please?
say currently I made one field right as coalesce, I made number field as coalesce, right? What if I make another field also as coalesce? So
Hmm.
what will happen? So if any one field value matches, it will update, or two fields should match in order to update.
It will search for two, it will update the other one.
I think two sheet will be
One at
updated.
a time.
See, consider there is a record. See, I made this number field as coalesce, right? Number field coalesce too. Consider I made another field also as coalesce. So consider I also made this short description field as coalesce. Okay, okay, and I changed this to okay, I changed it to this. So will this particular record will be updated or created?
Updated.
Updated.
It will be updated.
But I
Both
changed the
should
short
match, na?
description, right?
Yes.
Okay, so what happens, right? So if I make any two fields as coalesce, two fields should be matched in order to update. If any one of the field does not match, it will be created. Okay,
Okay.
got it?
Yeah.
Yes,
So
Kalki.
there is already an
Yes, yes.
incident record with this number and short description. What if I change the short description to 9? Just if I change and again import it, yeah, number get matches, but the short description does not get matches, right? So in that case, it will create a new record. Got it?
Yes.
So this is an important question
Yes.
in your interview. They will ask. This core is also important question in an interview, and they'll ask this question also. They might ask, what if I make two fields as coalesce? So if I make two fields as coalesce, two fields should be matched in order to update. If any one of the field does not match, it will create a record. Okay. And when coming to other things, we have other things like some other fields also, right? We have like affected user field, like affected user category, subcategory. Let's see that. Okay. So let me add a new fields, affected user. I am too lazy to again do the manual mapping, so I'll give the same field names in the Excel sheet also. But don't expect the same field names from the client when they give any Excel sheet to import. Okay, okay,
Okay.
Yes.
because they might give in their terminology, but we should understand as per the ServiceNow terminology. Okay. Anyways, if you consider any user, we will have able tutor. Definitely, we'll have able tutor. We have seen him many times.
Hmm.
So, let me take this as Kalki and let me give it as Sai. I believe there are no records like this. There are no user records like this. And you know it, right? This is referring to user table. I'm sure that it does not have any user record with Kalki. Abba, okay, it has. Mm, okay, let me take some random names. Let me take my brother name. Okay, I'm sure that these both names are not there. I'm sure. And I'm coming to this category. Uh, let me take this one as software and this one as hardware and this one as infra or let me take some other category. Mm, yeah. Mm, yeah, security, think of security category. Okay, now let's try to import this. So previously we have mapped these three fields, right? Now we should map these two fields also. Okay, don't forget, when you should map it, once you load the data into the staging table, then only these extra fields will be available in the transfer map to map. Don't forget that. Okay.
Yes.
Submit. Now only I will have this affected user and category fields in the transfer map available. So open the transfer map in new tab. Don't click on run transfer map here. Okay, don't click on run transfer map here because we should modify it, right? We should modify it, right? So open the transfer map. Now let me click on auto map again. Yes, it got perfectly mapped. Affected user and the category. See, it got mapped. So I can click on transform from here also, no problem. Otherwise, I can click on transform here from here also. It doesn't matter. Click on transform from here. Click on transform. and click on transform history. Yeah, 3 are updated. I did not give any new records. I gave only existing record. I just only created these 2 columns. So let's see what happens. So is this the one? No, no, this is not the one. Now let me see. Now let me we can go to incident table and sort with the updated. 002. Where is 002? Okay, let me do this. This updated field. Yeah. Perfect. So yeah, sure of this same page. Updated. They go 250852, 250852. No. Okay, let me better search it. There's something running in my instance actually, which is auto updating the instance. Should check it later. Is yeah, see, we got Able Tutor, Suresh, and Rakesh. Let me open it in the new. Yeah, we gave it a software Able Tutor. It's fine. Okay. But if you see this Suresh, see security. Previously there used to be security field, security choice. Previously there used to be security choice. Have you seen?
No.
No.
It got created, right? In the same way, as I said, there is no Suresh user record, but it created. In the same way, there is no Rakesh user record also, but it created. Okay, because of
Yes.
choice action field in transform map. See, because of this choice action. For this affected user, it's create, and for this category, it was create. So if it doesn't find anything, so it will create because of this create choice action. Okay, we have something in this choice action like create, ignore, reject. Okay, as I said, consider Rakesh. Okay, if I gave it as ignore and if I import it, only that particular affected user will not be only imported, all the other fields will be imported. Okay, if I give reject, as the Rakesh user record does not exist, the complete row will be ignored, the complete row will not be imported. Okay, in the same way here also I gave the security choice, but the security choice does not exist in my service incident table, but because of create, it created. If it was ignore, only that particular category choice will not be imported. Okay, if it was
Yes.
reject, only no, if it was reject, the complete row will not be imported, the complete row. Okay, you should remember this. And if you consider this affected user, how it will evaluate. So we have this able tutor, right? See, it was displaying the name as able tutor, right? So now let me change this name. Now let me change this as able only. Now let's see, not able. Consider the client gave me tutor. Client gave me the name as tutor, but actually he mean that the user is able tutor, but he gave the username as tutor in Access sheet. Okay, now let's see what it will happen. I did not change in this choice action. Okay, I did not change any nothing I changed. I want to show you of this how this affected user, how this reference field is actually mapped. How this reference field, right? How this reference field data is actually imported. Let's see. Let me import that Excel sheet again. So now let's see what it will happen. Click on run transform. Transform. What was the record? 00002. See, tutor. But let's see whether it got created now or not. Let me search tutor. See, tutor. When it was created just now. Now, have you understood how these reference field values are actually mapped? Understood? No?
Yes.
Okay. Can you explain what you understood?
So it is only taking the value
Not like
of
that.
that.
See, yeah, yeah, please, please.
So like the affected user, which is there. So as we
Mhm.
have already mapped it, so the data which we are giving as input, it is taking the same.
See, actually, what's happening is these are all the user records, right? If you
Yes.
consider, if you select any user here, let me select some user. It's not loading here. Let me take some another incident. Yeah, if you select any user here, see, remember this name. Okay, first name, last name. This is the name field, right? See what it is displaying. What it is displaying.
The first name
Is
and
it
the last
name,
name.
first name, or last name? See, just compare here. So let me click on this Bruno Mansi. See, what is this field? What is this field?
Name.
Name.
So it is displaying name field. So transfer maps also expects the name only. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
If you
Okay.
consider this able tutor, his first name is able and last name is tutor. But ServiceNow, not ServiceNow, this incident affected user field will only consider name field. It will only check as per the name field. Okay, got it?
Yeah.
Yes, got it.
Yes, yes.
So even if I gave tutor here, even if there is a user record with last name as tutor, it created a record because it will search, because the transform map will search in the user table with the name as tutor. It did not found any user record with the name as tutor, so it created a record with tutor name as tutor. So the transform map will match as per the display value which was actually being displayed here. Okay, if you consider this configuration item field, let me just show you. Even I also don't know how it is actually showing. Yeah, it is also showing name only. Okay, if you want to import this configuration item field also, you need to give the proper names. See, the name that you're giving in the Excel sheet should be mapped with the name of the CI. Got it? I'm trying to explain you. Are you
Yes.
getting it?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes.
So that's it for the day. Tomorrow I'll show you these other choice actions also. Like today I've shown you create, right? Tomorrow I'll show you ignore, reject, and we have this reference field value, something like that. See, consider the client gave you affected users emails. Consider an example. How will you import that? Okay, there is no work for today, right? So I want you to explore that for tomorrow. Consider the client gave you the affected users email instead of name. How will you import that? What if you gave to, like, you can say that I'll manually just search for his name and I'll get his no, manually search the email, I'll get his name and I'll populate that in Excel sheet. You can say that, but what if he gives you 200 to 300 records? What if he give you 1000 records? Getting it?
Yes.
So I want you to know it by tomorrow's session. If anyone want to explore this import sets today itself, you can import. Anyway, tomorrow I'm going to give you. Tomorrow, anyway, I'm
Okay.
going to give you the requirement for this import sets. If you
Yes,
are much more interested, you can explore it today itself.
yes.
And I want you to tell me this. I want anyone to tell this. Okay,
Yeah.
like what if the client gives you email?
Hmm.
Otherwise, what if the client gives you last name of the user? Otherwise, what if the
Hmm.
client gives you first name of the user? How will you import that into incident table? How will you map that user to affected user field?
Okay.
Yeah, you
Okay.
can easily get it. So yeah, actually we have ServiceNow community. Okay, so you know this Stack Overflow, right? Stack Overflow. If anyone is having any coding questions, they will just
Yes.
search, and the Stack Overflow website will be displayed, and there might be some replies from anyone who might have no answer for the question, right? You know Stack Overflow. I think someone,
The forum to check any
yeah,
doubts or any
yeah,
updates.
like that. We have ServiceNow community.
Okay.
So this is for all the ServiceNow related questions. So if you are having any doubts, let's see. Um, what if, like, what if two fields are OLS in ServiceNow transform app? See, this is what community. See, see community. So this is the question which was asked by a person. See, so the question which I have asked you now, there will be definitely the answer will be definitely here. If you have any doubts, you can just search with at the end like in ServiceNow. So these are all the community links. So if anyone asked the same questions previously, there might be some replies down here. So who replied? So any solution will be marked as accepted solution. That's so that might be the answer. That will be the answer. Okay. So you can also reply if you're having any, like if you know any answer of this question, if you know answer of this question, you can also reply by clicking on reply. So for most of the questions, for most of the doubts, you'll have answers here. You can also post questions. Okay. Anyone, more like all the people will use this. Right? All the people, all the service developers or architects or leads, anyone will use this. Not everyone will know everything, right? There might be anything like there will be many things that a person will not know. Okay.
Yes.
So for the
Yeah.
same question that I asked you, you'll
Excuse
definitely get
me.
the solution from there. Yeah, I mean,
Excuse me. Yeah, just now you asked the question. Consider client gives you email to map,
yes.
like more number of emails. If the
Not
client
more level
gives,
of emails. What
okay.
if we gave you
Hmm.
500 incidents? What if we gave you
Okay, okay.
500 incident records to import? And the
Okay.
affected user is email. Like what the affected user's detail is an email. What if he provides the email instead of
Hmm.
name? How will you import that? See, what if if he gives you one or two records to import it, you can just manually search and just paste it here, right?
Yeah,
The
yeah,
email.
right.
But
Okay.
what if there are many records? So in that case, it will not be such easy, right?
Right, right.
Right? So in that case, what if
Hmm.
it gives you email and tells you to import into your incident table? What will
Hmm.
you do?
Okay. Right.
And don't get
I
confused.
got
The
it.
affected user field will be
Hmm.
caller in your incident table. I changed that field name, field label in my instance.
Hmm.
Okay, it will be
Okay.
caller in your instance.
Okay.
Don't get confused.
Okay. Hmm.
Any doubts for today?
No.
No, Palki.
Ah,
Otherwise, I'll just export all this Excel sheet into the. Otherwise, yeah, okay, everyone is able to access the chat, right?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
let
yes.
me. Mm, I am able to wait. Let me send all these Excel sheets to you so that you can just import it and try. Okay, give me a minute actually.
Okay.
I'm not able to upload any files here. I'm only able to just chat. I'm not able to upload any files. Anyways, I will upload in the same drive link. Okay. So try to import it. Not try to import. You should import it. Then only you'll get to know. Because in future, the client might give you 500 or 600 user like not. It won't give you incident records. Mostly, it'll give you user records or assets or configuration item records to import into ServiceNow. Okay. Mostly won't give you incident
Kalki,
record.
hello,
Yeah.
hello, Kalki.
Yeah. Yeah.
Can you only import this data? Only the Excel file only we import. Otherwise, if it is on doc file or any other text file,
We
it can be
we
uploaded. Hello, hello.
we can, but we mostly prefer this Excel sheet or CSV file only. Okay, and we can
Okay,
import from any external source also, like some servers. Tomorrow I'm going to say that. Let
okay, okay,
me
okay.
check what are the file types. I know this Excel and CSV. Yeah, we have this Excel.
Because
Yeah,
in my previous in my previous project, we just uploaded the data from the AD, Azure AD, like as from Azure AD or
yeah, we'll have that
any Active
also.
Directory.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. That is different integration. Even though we can integrate in, like we can get the data in some other way also. From
Yeah.
actually, generally we get through the Azure Active Directory only for user records, not for CS and all those. For user records, we get it from Active Directory. It might be Azure, any other source. Okay,
Yes.
but we mostly
Okay.
import. Like we can also in my requirement, in my project also, we have the Active Directory, and we also import like this also from Excel sheet, but not manually, automated every day. We have two sources to get the data into user table. So we have different formats like CSV, custom like by script, and Excel, JSON, and XML. But everyone will prefer either Excel or CSV only. It's only most user friendly to import. Okay, did
Okay.
I answer
Okay.
your question?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yeah. So for user data, mostly we prefer this Active Directory only. Okay, so it will be only the main source for most of the application, not only for us. It will be the main source for most of the applications. So for user data, it will be the first primary source. But while importing this data, we can mostly will import this data for CS or assets, which you will get to know in the future. But you should know how to import it. Okay,
Okay.